Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to create a function using Python to check whether a given number is whether a given number is even or odd. So first of all, we need to take an input from the user and store it in a variable. I am storing that in a variable called num and taking an input from the user asking to enter a number and then converting this into integer. Now I am defining my function by the keyword def, and I am naming my function even, odd, and passing in and entering an argument num. Then I'm using if else here. If num mod 2 is equal to 0, then that means that number is even. Then print num is an even number. Now if this condition or criteria is not found true, then move to else condition and print num is an odd number. That's all. Our function is now created, and now we will check if this works or not. So for that, I am going to run this function even odd and even num. Now I'm going to run this. So I'm going to run this, and it is asking me to enter a number. I'm going to enter a number 7 and hit enter. Then you can see 7 is an odd number. Now I'm going to rerun and enter another number, this time 12, and enter. Now 12 is an even number. So you can see our function is created and it is working fine. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.